can be a budget? Budget means allocation of your income. So normally we have income, it should be allocated for various purposes. For example, different types of expenses will incur, we have to allocate those incomes. So different types of budgets are available, we'll see one by one. Number one, budget based on time period. Budget based on time period. So based on time period, there are two categories. One is called long term budget, another one is called short term budget. Long term budget means we have to spend for more than a year we can spend the money for more than 1 year. We need resources for allocation, so it has to be prepared for more than a year. So for example, capital expenditure budget, number 2, research and development expenditure. Short term budget means it should be prepared within 1 year. Those budgets are called short term budget. Example, cash budget. So cash budget is basically based on two categories. One is called revenue, another one is called expenses. How the company is going to generate revenue? For example, company can able to generate revenue through raising capital or cash collections from debtors or cash sales or selling any machinery. How the expense supposed to be payment of wages, payment of overheads, so payment of overheads. So this kind of expenditure normally we have. Right. So the balance, there is any balance arises, it is going to be cash balance. So current year closing cash balance is going to be next month opening cash balance. Number 2, so based on conditions. So based on condition, the budgets are classified into basic budget, and number 2, current budget. So basic budget means, this is the basic budget for everything. So for example, it can be prepared for long period of time. Here budget cannot be altered, it is unaltered. So in case of current budget, it should only for a shorter period. So there are, based on conditions, there are two categories. One is basic budget, number 2, current budget. Number 3, capacity, based on capacity. So based on capacity, the budgets can be classified into fixed budget and flexible budget. Fixed budget and flexible budget. Fixed budget means it cannot be changed. It is fixed. So for example, irrespective of level of activity, it remains constant. It is fixed. But in case of flexible budget, it can be flexible. For example, the company is producing at present 60% capacity. We get migrated to 70% capacity. Again, 90% projections required. There are 3 types of cost will be involved. One is variable cost. Number 2, fixed cost. Number 3, semi-variable cost. Semi-variable cost means to certain extent it is going to be fixed. Then beyond the limit it is going to be variable. So similarly, flexible budget means based on the capacity we are going to draw. Number 4, coverage, based on coverage. Based on coverage, it can be divided into functional budget. Number 2, master budget. Function means different types of functions we have. For example, sales is one of the function for a company, functional. Okay, and similarly capital budget based on capital expenditure budget. Similarly, budget based on balance sheet. Master budget means all the budget put together in a master budget. These are the basic concepts. Okay, just given everything in a brief introduction. We'll see the problem one by one.